Resetting WhatsApp statistics helps monitor data usage, analyze fresh usage patterns, troubleshoot issues, or start tracking with a clean slate. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then go to Storage and Data. Here you will see an option called Network Usage. Tap on it. This is where the statistics for your media usage are recorded. At the bottom of the page, you will find the Reset Statistics option, displaying Never as the last reset time. Tap on it to proceed. From the confirmation window, tap Reset. This will reset the media usage statistics on WhatsApp. Keep in mind that it will not delete any messages or media from your chats, only the data usage statistics will be cleared. And that is how you can reset the statistics on WhatsApp.